Do you know what is color in Igbo? Agua. Agua. Color is agua in Igbo. Okay, so let's look at different colors in Igbo, and I will start with white. White. Ocha. Ocha. So a white person, onyocha. Onyocha. You know now. The next color is black. Black. A black person, onyoji. Like me, onyoji. 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 So green is agua. Green is ndo. Green leaf, ndo. Red, may. Some say call it here. Some calls it opalabra. So may here. Red, may. Yellow, edo. Blue, pink, pink, orange, nchara, and gold, olive, silver, olacha, gray, purple, odogo, brown, ajaja, or Thank you. See you in the next class. Bye.